Set up ng paddleboard and we have a mini tent. Okay. Sige nga, try mo tumayo. Napakababaw naman ng pinagpa-paddleboardan mo. Sasayad ka na. Huwag ka dyan. Sasayad ka. Wow. School of ducks. School of ducks? What do you call that? Flock of ducks? Flock of geese? Hi, mga geese. They travel. They went all the way from there. They're a good swimmers. Ew. Hi, guys. So peaceful here. We're here in Bunsen Lake with Makmak. It's his second time again doing paddleboard. And Jubel. It's her second time too. The first time is in, where's that? Barnett Lake, right? Yeah. Even Makmak. Actually, before he doesn't like it. And now, there you go. You can see his dimple. Ayun na, nakaupo, nakaano na siya, nakalohod na. Okay, go. Alam na nyo. See, nagpa-practice siya sa mababaw. See, look at the water level. Ha? Oh my God, they're here. Hello, guys. See, nakarating sila. Hi. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, attendance. Attendance check. Ikaw na. Si Jubel, she'll try to practice too. There you go. Finally. Either you squat or you sit like that. Yeah. It's mission accomplished. And the sun is out too. Ew. Okay, to tell you a brief story. My brother Makmak doesn't like to go outdoors. Sometimes. And every time I ask him to go out with us doing paddleboard or any outdoor activities, he doesn't want to. Kasi may problem siya sa tummy. But then this one is a good time kasi it's Canada Day to celebrate. And ayan, it's a mission accomplished. We wake up early and siya na mismo yung sabi na, let's go then. So it's a very well accomplished mission for me kasi nakasama ko din yung kapatid ko with his girlfriend, Jubel. Yan, see? Enjoy the moment, guys. Ay ba? Iiwan na nila ako. Actually, yung water is not bad. It's not that cold. Because usually when we go here, water is so cold. But now, it's lukewarm. Ayun na sila, oh. And this lake is a water reservoir. So this is somewhere in Coquitlam, and maganda yung water niya kasi it's from BC Hydro. Yan. So if I will compare it to Philippines, it's a water reservoir, kumbaga ang tawag doon, water reservoir. Hihi. One of the yamang tubig in Canada. Yan. This is the picnic area. And if ever you want to go here, just search Bunsen Lake. It's around from our place it takes like 45 minutes drive, and it's around Coquitlam, BC. Yan, Bunsen Lake. And when you go here, you need to book for reservation for the parking. Yeah. Okay, so I will end the video here, and happy Canada Day happy Canada Day mga katusok, and well, may you enjoy your day every day and stay safe. Take care because I care. Goodbye katusok. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Nasaan na sila? Ay! Kaway kayo dito! Kaway! Kaway dito! Nakita ba sila? Kaway kayo! Kaway dito! Ayun na sila. One more! Wave! Go! Mga katusok! Be careful! Don't flip!